Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create actions on shapes. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI, activate the insert, and click on any shape. Now, click on the shape and go in the action button on it. So, what type of action you can do it? Let's say we want to do the page navigation action destination. So, if I click on this shape, it should land me on page number 3. So, let's click on it. With the help of control button, control plus click. So it will take you to the page number 3. The other things which you can do with the help of this shapes, other actions which can be taken are you can bookmark it, drill through, activate the question and answers, web URL, apply all the slicers, clear all the slicers. So these are the actions which can be taken with the help of these shapes. So this was all about creating actions on SIP. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.